Looking for steel that delivers both toughness and flexibility? Introducing 50 CRV4 alloy steel strip, the ultimate solution for high-performance spring and automotive applications. Engineered with chromium and vanadium, 50 CRV4 offers excellent fatigue resistance, high tensile strength, outstanding toughness under repeated stress, and superior hardenability. Whether you're producing suspension springs, clutch discs, tools, or wear-resistant parts, 50 CRV4 is the material you can trust for precision and durability. Available in hardened and tempered or annealed conditions. Thickness 0.1, 5.0 mm vertical bar, width up to 500 mm, used by professionals, built to perform. Choose Jaxiao MTC, your reliable supplier of premium steel strips for global industries. Custom sizes and surface finishes available. Contact us now to request a sample or a quote.